Yes, finally NEET UG 2024 admit card is out. Today Unique World Education is going to show you how to download the NEET UG 2024 admit card and what are the important things which you need to know when you are going to the examination hall. And this is one of the sample admit card. So where I need to sign, where I need to affix my thumb impression, where I need to affix my photograph, everything today we are going to explain. So the first and foremost, this is the information or public notice by NTA. So here you can notice around 24 lakh students are going to write the examination across 557 cities. And the examination day, it is 5th May, and the timing will be 2 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. But for the UAE students, the exam will be starting by 12:30 p.m. So first thing, you need to open the NEET UG 2024 NTA website. So once you open this website, you can see here, click here for admit card. So click here. So once you click, you need to enter your application number, which you have already received the time of your NEET application form filling. And the next step, you need to give your date of birth and your month and an year. And once you submit, here you can see your NEET UG 2024 admit card and you can download. But after downloading the NEET UG 2024 admit card, you need to fill certain columns and you need to affix your photograph and thumb impression that I am going to show you right now. So this is one of our student NEET UG 2024 application form. I have removed his roll number, application and photograph here because of the privacy issues. So once you downloaded your NEET UG 2024 admit card, here your roll number will be there, your application number will be there and your photograph will be there. So this area you don't need to do anything, you just need to fill the downside area. So this is the examination details. So the date of examination, when will be the examination? 5th of May, and reporting or entry time at the center. So here it has mentioned 11 a.m. but you need to report the center by 9:30 a.m. Why? Because here it has mentioned Indian time, we need to follow the UAE time. So your reporting time will be 9:30 a.m. and gate closing time of the center will be 1:30 p.m. which means by 12 o'clock the gate will be closing. And timing of test by 2 p.m. in UAE, the timing of test will be 12:30 p.m. Okay, and your test center will be the Indian High School. So in your admit card, it will be showing whether you are in Dubai or Sharjah or Abu Dhabi, the exact school name will be there and the address will be there. So you can follow that and try to Google map and everything and try to set your location map before you are going to the center. So here we need to fill the certain things. The first thing, this area is called self-declaration or undertaking area. The first thing, you need to affix a passport size photograph. So what is passport size photograph? Definitely you all have already uploaded the passport size photograph for the NEET application form filling. Okay, so the same photograph you need to use here. So the same photograph which you have uploaded for the NEET UG application form, you need to affix. Okay, so if the photograph is coming down, it's fine, you can affix your photograph. And the second area, candidate's left hand thumb impression. Okay, so your left hand thumb impression, okay, that you need to affix. So this area, candidate signature to be signed on the day of examination in the presence of the invigilator only. So the signature part is not now, that you need to put your signature in front of your invigilator. Okay, so this area we have completed. And yeah, one thing, here you need to write your name. My name is I Amin, resident of Dubai, do hereby. Okay, so you need to write your name and your resident of Dubai, Sharjah or Abu Dhabi, you can write that. And once we go down, we can see here, please paste a postcard size photograph. So definitely the same photograph which you have affixed there as a passport size photograph, here you need to affix your postcard size photograph. Okay, and afterwards you need to sign again, but this also in front of the invigilator. Now I am going to give you some instruction which you need to follow when you are going for the examination. Okay, so let's see the details. So here all the instructions are there. You can go one by one. I am not going to read everything. I am going to read certain things which you need to abide when you are going for the examination. The 10th one, candidate will be permitted to carry only the following items with them into the examination venue, and you need to carry your passport as well as you can carry your Emirates ID. Okay, so this both the IDs, try to keep it with you, and apart from this ID you can carry one personal transparent water bottle. Okay, so one water bottle you buy from any of the stores. So this is one of the water bottle. So try to remove this logo, this this advertisement, and you can carry the water bottle. And the second thing, you need to carry one additional photograph. Okay, it's the same photograph which you have affixed in the first page in the passport, passport size photograph you have affixed in the front page, right? The same photograph you need to carry with you. Why? Because which you need to affix in the attendance sheet. Okay, so you need to carry your passport, and you can carry your Emirates ID, and in addition to that, one transparent water bottle, and the third thing, additional photograph, same uploaded on application form to be pasted on attendance sheet. And the third thing, admit card. So this is the admit card along with the self declaration. So this first and this second page you need to carry. First page and second page you need to carry for the examination. And before reaching the center, the candidate must enter the required details in the undertaking in legible handwriting. Okay, so this area you need to complete, or you need to affix your passport size photograph, and you need to left hand thumb impression, and definitely the signature you need to put in front of the invigilator. And here you need to write your name and residence details. So these are the things which you need to follow when you are from the starting. How to download the application we have already discussed, and what are the things which you need to do when you got the NEET admit card. So on behalf of Unique World Education, I would like to congratulate all the future doctors. Definitely May 5th you all are gonna write an amazing examination. Don't worry, relax. All the students at Unique World Education, you all have prepared very well, and all the very best for your upcoming examination. Thank you so much.